In a recent development, as of March 2026, the regulation of the downstream sector, which exposes prices to global market volatility, combined with surging global crude prices, driven by escalated Middle East conflict between US, Israel and Iran, which parastatals are saying it is the major cause of high cost of local production and transportation, despite local refinery by Dangote, which has also contributed to the hike. Firstness took a tour to hear the minds and grievances of citizens, most especially motorists and commercial riders, as well as passengers, concerning the current situation unraveling the country. Correspondent Kings Ojalo will be giving us full details on their trip.
We are here live at flyover, here to take a tour and also hear from the voices of most Nigerians concerning their experience in the recent fuel hike. We have chosen to take a great tour, be able to hear the grievances of the people. We recall recently where the fuel price was increased from 700, 650 to 1,200 and 1,400 in most filling stations. So that is why we have taken these measures to go around and also ask individuals, most especially commercial vehicle drivers and also passengers, what their take on this current Nigeria situation is. Sit tight, relax, while we put you through.
In respect of fuel increase, have totally affected everything around me. More especially, I have company I'm running, which is known as Anthony. I have workers which I am paying. Today, every day, the price of payment have changed because of fuel increase. It's affecting entirely even workers. The things they buy, they eat, is being increased because of fuel increase. A plate of food, which they buy then before, something like 1,000, is now 1,517, some 2,500. So this fuel increase has been a problem to this humanity entirely, more especially for patriotic. The citizens of this country are really crying seriously in respect of this fuel increase. The governments are not doing well. Increasing fuel, I don't think is the solution of this country, because we have these the resources which we use to produce this fuel. Why are they increasing this fuel? Probably the whole nation and the whole citizens of this country. Please, sir, what I am trying to say is that fuel increase have been a trouble to humanity, and I don't see the reason why they are increasing fuel and what they are doing with the money. Borrowing money from outside countries, other countries, in order to solve their problem. Why they are busy increasing fuel? What's the need of increasing fuel? Please, the government should need to do something. The head of pre-statals of this country, more especially Nigeria, and the government, who am I talking to? The judiciaries, the executive, and the legislatures. They are one of the key problems of this country, because we have senators that are supposed to comment in respect of this problem the citizens are passing through. They are not commenting. Senators are there carrying money and collecting bribe. We have even Ministry of Labour that are supposed to speak on behalf of the innocent citizens that are passing through these threats. They are not doing anything. What they are after is being lobbied. If they are being lobbied money, and they will close their mouth.
Actually, as a passenger, what has been your experience so far since this fuel hike started? How has it been affecting you too as a passenger?
Place normally, like this place now, normally enter 300 for
okay.
400. Everything in place. They need to do something about it because it's really affecting the person.
Okay. My brother, it's affected me a lot because before this my motorcycle, I used to use 2,000 naira and wear the bike, but now it's almost 4,000. So it's affecting me a lot. So I don't know what the federal government are doing for this fuel increase. It's very, very affecting everybody, not only me. Both the poor masses in the society, it's very, very affecting everybody here. So they should do something about it so that tomorrow will be good and bad. And again, I heard that the problem we are facing now is because of
Iran and
Iran and Iraq.
Israel.
In fact, what the Nigeria have to do with that, so it doesn't supposed to affect us. They should do something about it so that we can breathe well in our own country. So please, it's very, very obvious that we are suffering.
Looking at the fuel aid and increase in the country recently, that was occurred during the Iran and Israel war, it has been said that most of the exportation and importation has been the major aid of this fuel. Now we have taken a tour within the vicinity to ask motorists and most especially drivers who have been a great patronage to the petroleum system about their fairness and also how it has really tell on them. A lot of people have expressed their grievances and also calling on the federal government to make sure that this aid is being put to an end in the country. So we are using this medium to hear from those who are within the vicinity and how it has also affected the well-being, not just motorists and the entire Nigeria as well, because so many individuals, as also even those passengers who go about day-to-day activities has also lamented on the issue, saying that the increase of transportation has also gone to an increase which was caused by the fuel aid. So Fastness News has decided to take a tour to also hear from those within the vicinity and how government can also interfere in the situation. I am King Sojano reporting.